Hello, I'm really hoping that you have been playing some games with your family. I hope also that you've seen that we've got, I think, about 30 different games on the Oikos website. I haven't counted the exact number recently. Sometimes some games go out of print or out of supply, and so then we have to remove them from the website, and then we discover a nice new fun one and then we add it. So there's going to be constant change of what titles are available there. But I'm here today to speak to you about actually this playing games with your family, because we do find that people don't take it very seriously. I know it's not meant to be a serious matter. It's meant to be a fun, relax, enjoy, take your focus off all the serious and just have some fun and play games. But the serious side of it is that people are not doing that. That's what I think is serious, is that families are not taking time to play and to have fun. It just seems like that is the results of the inquiries I've made. I'm finding that people are putting a lot more emphasis on the serious, formal side of life. And I just believe that playing games is actually as serious and as important, and it is part of life. And I know that it's something passionate and close to us, and that doesn't mean that it's right for everybody. But because it's something that has borne such incredibly good fruit in our family and in our lives, and in the families that we're getting feedback from that are playing games, that is just so wonderful. I got the most precious letter the other day from an 8-year-old who'd received a game. His mom had decided to buy a game for the family. And so with their maths and language books, a game arrived as well. So she just told me it was smiles all around. The mom wrote to me and told me about it. And then this little boy, her son, wrote to me as well to thank me. Dear Auntie Sonia. And this letter was so, so precious about what he felt about having received this game and how excited he was about it. And so I just thought, I'm going to take that as a prompt for me to stop and come and share with you all and just talk to you about this playing games with your family. And what I'm actually doing is I'm encouraging you to be serious about that and have a look at it. And even if it means putting aside a couple of formal books that you were thinking of buying and maybe replacing the budget with buying a game, you might feel like it's been irresponsible and you shouldn't do that and you must put the formal in place. Well, what I'm finding is people put that first all the time because they've been very responsible parents, and so they never get to the game. Now, the families that have thought, well, let me just try this, I'm actually going to get this game instead of those formal books, they have not been sorry, because they have then experienced the value of, had they got the formal books, they would be sitting doing that. But instead, they're playing this game, and now they're seeing the learning happening, the relationships, areas that they need to focus on their child's character development. So much comes out of sitting and playing these games. So I've spoken about it on the actual website, whereby on the category section of where the games are, and I talk about the value of the games and the educational value and all of that. But I'm here again to say to you, please, please, families, I just love you to get games so that you can have a wonderful experience of playing games. And also, I'd love to hear from you. If you can tell us your experience about playing games, if you have found it to be of value to you and there's some treasure you found in that, please write to me, sonia@oikosfamily.co.za, and tell me about it. And then I will share it with other people and encourage them to also receive the blessing that you have perhaps already received through playing games. So thanks for watching. Thank you for listening. And I look forward to sharing with you again soon. Bye for now.